This is going to be a video product review of the massage gun. This is a deep tissue massage gun. It's a percussion type massage gun. These things are wonderful. This comes with 30 adjustable speeds. Most of them do not come anywhere near 30 adjustable speeds. It comes with 6 massage heads. It's got a beautiful storage case. Let me take everything out of the package now, and I'm going to show you how this works and why a massage gun is such a wonderful thing for everybody to own. If you've never owned a massage gun before, once you try it, you will always be using this. All you do is you take whichever head you want to use. This would be a trigger point type head. This would be a dual trigger point type head. Just pick whatever one you want. I like the ball one. It covers a larger area. Let's get this case out of the way. And let me show you on the bottom over here. We have your on and off switch over there. We have the AC adapter jack. You plug your AC adapter in to charge it up. We have the on-off switch, the pause switch, and then the plus and the minus. So make sure that you flip your switch on the bottom to on. We can see you don't have a speed yet. We've got 74% on the battery. Very light touch. Good quality switch. We're at speed 1. And then you can slow down over there. You can take it back if you want. That's your battery reading. 6 massage heads, 30 speeds. Look at my arm now. This is the thing that I want you to see. You can see you put it in an area and all the muscles, the internal muscles, everything is getting a massage. It's all being worked to increase blood flow, relax the muscles, help you feel better. I like using this on my forearms. I type a lot. This is great if you have carpal tunnel. This is wonderful if you were a bike rider. Let me show you what I do. After I get back from riding my bike, I like to put this on my leg. It does the same thing that you just saw it do on my arm. Everything starts to pulsate and vibrate. As I said, it's a percussion type massage. So it's, rather than vibrating, it's actually pulsating. It's a percussion type feeling. It's great for the legs if you have problems with your feet. This is great for plantar fasciitis. Oh my gosh, right over there. This is the big muscle of the leg now, and it goes all the way into the hip, and I'm doing this and it feels absolutely incredible. If you have tightness in your shoulders, and let's face it, who doesn't? Get this up to the right speed. Oh my gosh, you can hear it in my voice, the pulsating that it's doing, the vibrating that it's doing. So this is wonderful if you have tight shoulders, tight neck, which I have a really bad neck problem. Get this on the shoulders. I use this for about 5 minutes. I switch to the other shoulder. I do the forearms, I do the biceps, I do the legs, I do the bottom of the feet, and I feel absolutely wonderful for the rest of the night. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description so that you can purchase this today. This is a wonderful product, reasonably priced. You will get lots of benefit from this, lots of health, lots of comfort. Make sure you purchase this.